All right, you guys. Welcome to day number three, three or three. However you like. I like that. That feels more comfortable. So, so where we were yesterday, starting off, we just laid some of these out. I think this is the last thing I kind of worked on. We need to create the base area, the lower base. It ramps down, and I need to create that. So, you know what? We may not do that exactly that way. We might change up how this works a little bit, because this is supposed to be from memory, so let's keep it that way. Okay, so first thing I know I have to do, let's see, what are you? You're way too big. You're too big. You're too big. Let's do this. Let's get some music going first. Oh, I don't want this one. We'll deal with it. We'll deal with it. So let's get OBS going so I can watch my time. Let's try and keep it around a 15-minute video. So maybe if I need to edit anything. So let's Shift, Alt. Let's bring this out. Okay, so we're gonna make you 750 Z, and then we're gonna 10 that, and then we're gonna do 750 on you. Let's go down. Let's bring you up. Okay, pokes out. We're gonna do that. Now we're gonna do this. We're gonna change this height right here. So we need Z to come up a lot more. So Z, we're gonna do 1500. We're gonna double that one. Bring this down. We're gonna alt this thing out that way, and we're gonna spin you 90, and then we're gonna do, okay, so green, which is Y, because you got X, Y, Z. So we got Y. We're gonna do this like this. We're not gonna adjust that. Get it going like that. Let's come and check this corner here. Ooh, actually that looks pretty good. Remember, hold right click and then E. You gotta do it on the screen. Oh, that actually snapped together nice. Okay, we're gonna do this. Go back, Alt. We're gonna do that. Got that. And then I need another one of you. So we're gonna bring you like this. We're gonna bring you here. So we're gonna make that Y. We're gonna make that huge. So it's gonna be like 1750. No, I need to go 2K. Remember, I'm only building half of the level, because the idea is I can just drag everything over and copy it, but I'm not going to do all that. I'm just going to build half of it. It's not supposed to be a full playable level. Let's do that, and then we'll have a ramp there, and then we're going to do this. We're going to Alt, go up a little bit, do this. We're going to spin you 90. Go back to move. Got that in there like that. All right. So let's look at that. Okay, let's check out a play from here spot. So play from here. Got that. Do. This way you go. I need to change the jump height on this thing. I need. Oh, I'm a little off right here. Oh, okay, that's fine. That's fine. I ain't gonna matter at all. All right, now I need to block half of this part in. And I think I need to build a tower on this ramp, I believe is what it was. I need to close this door. Sorry, let's escape. Escape. I actually kind of like this song. What is it? Where am I at? We're 434 into this. K391 featuring Corey Freisenhahn. Dream of Something Sweet. I actually kind of like that. That's a good beat. Okay, so we're going to click on this. We're going to Alt. Why are we going to Alt? Because we're going to duplicate it. That's what Alt does. Otherwise, I just move it out. So let's do this. 90 got you in. Go back to that. Let's do this. All right, it just pops out. Got that. What are we going to do here again? We're going to Alt that out again. You know why we're going to do that? Because we're going to shorten this up. So you're going to go to 1K. And we're going to bring you to the top here. Let's see how this looks from inside here. So play from here. That didn't look too bad. And then after this, ooh, about fell off the edge. What happens? Ah! Zoom speed. I'll have to build a back wall here in a second. I'll do that actually at the end of this. And then let's do this. Let's go Alt. We're going to move you right here. That's all. That's all. And we're going to bring you up to 750. Why? Because I want you right there. That's why. That creates that wall. And then we're going to Alt this off again, okay? We're going to do something different. So 90. So we are going to go 1250. No, I need to go 1500. Oh, this is so I need to go 2500. So that covers that. It's a little bit bigger than I wanted it to be. So what we're going to do, we're going to cheat. We're going to scale. That's not working for me. Move you this way. Let's go back to scale you down. Up one. That's way too big. Actually, let's move you out. Got that. Let's shrink you a bit. We're gonna keep that the way it is. I can't. No, I gotta have it perfect. We gotta live with that. You know why? Because perfectionism is best friends with procrastination and not getting shit done. All right, where are we at on time? 10 minutes here. That's not bad. Okay, so we are going to do box. I'm going to drag you out right here. We're going to do this. We're going to do 1250, 1250, tab 1000. I need to make that 2K. That's what's going to happen. I need to make that a lot longer in the Y. 2250. Got that. All right, we're going to live with that for right now. I actually can't have it that way. So we're going to do X 10. Got that. Then we're going to alt this one. Then we're going to alt out another one. We're going to spin you 90. And we're going to make red, which is X. No. Y. We're going to do 750. No, let's do a cool 1K. Then we're going to bring you in. Oh, no, I needed to do that different, didn't I? Because I need to create a staircase up the back. Crap. You know what? I'm going to call that a night, guys. This has been another good one. I do like... This will be a good area. This will have the cutout doors and everything that I'm going to have to put in eventually. But we're going to cut the Alan Walker Fade stuff. It's a good song. I like it. But... what we're going to do is we're going to hit this up tomorrow. And we're going to work on this, getting this finished out, put the stairwell up here because it goes up part of the way, and then there's another one here. So I don't know if I'll ramp it or if I'll do a stairwell because the stair tool's tricky and I'm not a big fan of it. I could spiral stair it, but that's not going to work. But you guys, until the next one, thank you. Thank you for watching. If you haven't hit that sub button, please do. That helps me out. If you haven't hit the like button, please do. That makes me feel better. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.